Says Tommy, and that was what Manchuri also reckoned was highly unlikely.
ginger. Cinnamon. Turmeric.